All right. If you're new to the channel, please like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And today, we're going to be talking about the update on the getting the charger installed in my condo. So without further ado, let's get right to it. So, all right. Here's the update on this long process of getting this electric charger installed in my condo. And this is the one that I purchased. Uh, it's about $635 in Canadian dollars, plus tax, for the wall unit charger. And the reason why I purchased it was because I wanted it to get installed in my condo parking spot. And let me tell you, this has been a long process. Like getting an electric charger installed in a house is totally different than getting an electric charger installed in a condo. And let me tell you, I still haven't even got it installed. But basically, I have an installation date and it's been confirmed. November 4th. It's a 2 day installation. The electricians say that they need 2 days to install this due to the fact that it's in a condo parking lot and they have to run a bunch of wires throughout the whole parking spot to get to the actual electrical outlet and the actual room where that's going to be supplying the electricity. So this process has been tedious. This process, let me tell you, when I first inquired about this process with my property manager back in March. At that time, I was told that I had to set up an agreement with the condo board lawyer. And just to get that paperwork, the condo charged me $1,000 just for the paperwork. I was so surprised because that wasn't even for the agreement. That was just for the paperwork, just for them to talk to me. They charged me $1,000 because the lawyer had drafted up the paperwork and gave me the set of instructions. So then, after paying $1,000, what I had to do, I purchased at that point. I purchased the wall unit in May when I made the order for the vehicle, and I got the wall unit. It was basically sold out, and it eventually came about a month and a half later. So that was another process which I wish Tesla would have sped up. So and I officially got the wall charger sometime at the end of June, beginning of July. And during that time I was looking for different companies that could do the installation for the condo unit. And so I went and I found this company called Signature Electric, and I contacted them and told them that I wanted to get an electric charger installed in my condo spot. So at that point, then I went back to my property manager with the set of instructions that they gave me. First, I had to get a qualified electrician, and I had to provide them with an application for the electric charger. I had to provide drawings of the installation, like professional drawings. Have an electrician come through, do the drawings. Um, I had to then submit the drawings after After had a signature, I had contacted Signature Electric, and they had provided me with the drawings, which they charged me $500 just to come and do the drawings. Um, they then I then submitted the whole package with the application to the condo board, and after that, I had to wait 2 months in order to get a response. See, oh man, this process has been taking a long time. And I sat there and I waited, and I had to go through the condo board. They had to sit down and discuss this. And at first, initially, they said that okay, due to the fact that my condo comes with the electricity included in my condo fees, all I had to do was in, have an increase of maybe $30 on my condo fees. So my property manager went back to the board of directors in my condo, and they said no. You're gonna have to get a meter, an electric meter, your own electric meter, and deal with the electricity company separately. So yeah, I went back to Signature Electric, had them explain to them the situation that they were not going to increase my condo fees and just include it in my monthly fees, that I had to get a separate electric meter installed for my condo spot. So then they said, okay, we'll install a check meter and we'll install a meter there, which you can be billed directly from the electrical company. So then they said, okay, we have we have the information. At that point, they provide me with the invoice of the cost of the installation and the cost of everything, which is about $4,000. 3,500 for the installation and $500 for the paperwork. And uh, after that, after submitting all the documents and getting the everything straightened out with the condo board, um, they then sent me. I finally got the approval in September from the condo board, and after I got the approval letter saying that the condo board had approved everything and that we've come to a final agreement, at which point I had to contact Signature Electric back and have them order all the parts. So it took them about another month to order all the parts required for the installation and all that stuff. And during this whole time, I just been sitting there and I've been waiting. And after my charger to be installed in my condo parking lot. So anytime I come home, I can just charge up and not have to go to any public places because like it also increases the value of your condo if you have that available, because in the next 10 to 20 years people are obviously going to need that, so yeah. So that's basically all I gotta say. So thank you and have a nice day.
Hey, if you want to win a $50 Amazon gift card, all you have to do is like, share, comment, and subscribe. And the first 1,000 subscribers will be entered into a draw to win this $50 gift card.